I have a slick press, guys. Slick press. My hair is growing. I don't want short hair anymore. I don't have short hair anymore, so I have a slick press, guys. My God. You mean there are wigs out there for some of us? I've always heard about glueless wig, and every glueless wig I meet online is just what you are going to add some glue, or sometimes you see how it is white in front. Like, seriously? Now, there are wigs that have come to my test, guys. I don't even know how to explain this. I'm just going to let you watch this video to the end. Do you want to see glueless wig, the better one? Then watch this video to the end. Hey boss, so this is the first time I decided to wear a wig without struggling. You know those wigs that you have to add some glue and so on. I am not really into that because I don't even know how to do that. So I wasn't into that until I got to this one. Me myself, I don't even know how excited I am right now. You guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to wear it. I am so excited. I hope. I bought it last month and I haven't worn it because I have been so busy. And I would like to wear it with you guys. You know, I know many of you are also like me. You don't know how to wear those wigs. Like what I can just wear and go. Something that will not show if I'm wearing wig or not. So let's see it now. I bought this wig in Nadula. I saw the adverts on Facebook. And actually, I have a little bit challenge when I'm ordering something from Facebook. But this time around, I think I have just won a jackpot. I am so excited right now. I'm going to share, you know, the exciting moment with you guys. So let's get into that. Since I have gray hair here, so I have already added my foundation there, and I'm going to wear my tape. So the hair came with a tape, and I was told it's to hold it aside here. I am so excited. And some hair band. I think it came with some 2 hair band. No, this one is for the wig. This one is to add it to the wig. You know, the wig band for behind the head. So this one is to hold it in front here if you would like maybe to comb it, or I think. So, and it also came with maybe for some edges, and it also came with a hair net that I'm going to open right away. I just hope it is the color of my face. I have problem finding the color of especially my forehead, you know. Let's try it on. Ooh, looks more, you know, and my cornrows still have this ponytail here that I'm going to hide. I'm going to hide it. So I'm going to make sure I put the whole hair inside here. It is so tight, but I think that's how it is. I don't know. Like I'm telling you guys, this is my first time enjoying wearing wigs because this one is, you know, special. So let's get into that. I am so excited, Lord Jesus. I hope this is my wish. This is what I want. Or this is what I ordered for. This is this. We're going to remove the first paper. The net. Oh God. I'll tell you what I really love in this. You know. This is what I love in this wig. This is the whole game. Like you are just going to wear it. I am so excited. Wait for it, guys. I'm going to add this. It's had this already. It's had this. So I think I will just pick a hole here and add to the other side as well. Oh, the hairnet is so tight. So I'll wear it like this. Let me try it out if it works this way. And as my hair is also dyed, it will be a little bit difficult. I'm just going to add the hair very quickly. So guys, this is how it looks like. And what I love about that, you can just decide to also make another, can decide to change the look and you are still good to go. I don't want to put any glue, or I don't want to put the makeup. Let me try some makeup. I have some dark color makeup here. I don't know if it will work. This is how it looks like. I don't know if it will work. Is it working? It's like it's working. Oh, it works, guys. So for now, I'm not going to tape the side, right? Because I show you that it came with this tape if you want to hold the side, but I'm not going to tape the side because I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to show you guys that there are some wigs out there that are better than others, and this was my first time buying this, and I've been holding it for months now. So I will leave this like this here. I'm beginning to love it, guys. So I bought this, how do you even call it, wax stick here to try it out because I'm seeing so many people using it for their wigs. I haven't used it, but I'm just it look interesting. Coming to use it for this one and see the outcome. I think this is where this came into the game. This is where this one comes. The line is not straight. I'm loving it, guys. Me having this kind of wig. I think the game in this wig is to have a little bit touches. So you just touch a little bit and you are good to go. Wear the hairband, right? So I have my hairband. I also have this hot comb that I bought for that. I was so prepared because I was so excited to see the kind of wig I bought. So I'm going to also try it out, right? How the hot comb looks like. I am so scared of such comb. I just hope it is not going to, overheat. So it is blocked. I don't know if I have to on it. There is a button here. And I think I have to wait until the red, the red sign goes off. We are back, and yeah, the blinking only stopped, right? But the red sign are going to, or you can even increase it. I didn't realize you can even increase it if you want, but I don't need. I mean, I was just curious to see how this wig look like, but I am so happy it works as I want. So I also have my hair straightener here. It is already plugged, and I'm going to just try to straighten him, you know. So beautiful. I'm going to remove the hairband. Oh, it's too tight. It's too tight. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Come on, come on, come on. So if I want to reduce the brightening of my hairline, I'm just going to add this. But I think it is good like that. I'm going to leave it like that. I just wanted to show you guys that for those who doesn't know how to wear wigs, you can just get Sash wig. I bought it from nadula.com. I got the website. If you want, I can post the link under my comment section. I am not affiliated, but I can just post the link because I realize there are some fake website and some true ones. Right? So you can just, and you saw how I show you the front. You can just buy some wax stick. You have some, you know, hot comb like this. It wasn't expensive. I think something like, I don't know, I forgot. It is like 2 or 3 months now, but you can find it on Amazon. You know, you buy something like this, and then if you have a makeup that goes to your, maybe if your wig goes to your shade, then it will work. But if you are too dark like me, you can just have some foundation like mine. I bought this foundation is from Elf. You know, this is how it looks like. It goes to my front shade, and yeah, then you are good to go. You can also curl states if you want it. You can straighten it. I didn't want to do too much on it. I just try to, you know, do some straightening up, but my straightener is not too hot, so I don't want to do too much job. But you can see it is so beautiful and looks natural, and it is just like normal hair, right? You can see it is just like normal hair. So beautiful. I am so happy. I am so happy. I can just, you know, if you want, you can just put the tape and tape it here and the other side too. But I think you don't always need it. No, you don't always need it because as you can see, oh, it's too tight. You can decide if you want to put it this way. If you want to tape it and put it this way. I even look different. You know, good to go. I don't have anything on it. And then you are good to go, guys. Is it not beautiful? You know, I don't have any glue. You just have to get some shade foundation. Then you wear your wig and you are good to go. You know, I can just remove it like this. And put it back like this. Just try to fix the side again if I want, you know. You can choose to cut this one so that you have it like, you know, you have it like edges. It is your choice, you know. Then you just slick it like your edges here in front, you know, like this. Ta-da! So just wanted to share this video with you guys. If you're interested, I can just put a link under the comment section or in the description box, and then just follow it up, right?